This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. All right, I got the WEREWOLVES 40-ounce insulated water bottle. These things are awesome. I've got a couple of different styles of these, and I really like them for several reasons. One, because they're food-grade stainless steel inside of there. They're insulated really well, so if I put something hot in there, it'll stay hot all day. I'm a real estate agent. Sometimes I have to drive downstate. I'll make an actual 40-ounce bottle of tea here, and it keeps hot all day. It'll keep stuff hot up to 12 hours. It'll keep stuff cold for up to 24 hours. Another cool feature on this is that it's powder coated on the outside, so it has a grippy, kind of a grippy texture to it, and it won't sweat. So it's great for workouts. It's kind of a big size. It's about the size of an old school thermos when I was a kid. And you get, what you get with this, you get a lanyard on here. It's got a couple different hooks on the side because it comes with this nice, like, braided strap right here. And you can actually hook the strap on here and carry it that way if you like. Both of the lids that it comes with also have some kind of hooks on there that you can actually hold on to when you're carrying it. It comes with the straw lid, which is my favorite. As you flip this up, and you've got two straws that come with it. You know, you put the straw in there, put it in there, and when you close this lid, it's 100% leak proof, and that's awesome because I'll just lay this thing on the seat of my car when I'm driving and I don't have to worry about it. It also comes with a straw cleaner, which is cool. And we've also got the spout lid, which locks into place. You unscrew this, pull it up, and you've got the drinking spout on there, which is awesome because you can just close it up, you know, screw it tight, close it up, seal it up, and you got nothing to worry about. It also comes with this shoulder strap, so you can hook this thing onto here and carry it as a shoulder strap if you wanted to, too. Probably not going to use that feature, but the option's there. So something like this would be great for hiking, or if you're out for a walk somewhere, long walk. Something like this would obviously be great for work, you know, taking it to work with you. If you work, you know, someplace where you want to have 40 ounces of liquid available to you, soup, hot chocolate, coffee, tea, whatever you want to put in there, or cold stuff, cold water, soda, anything in there. It should be great for taking to the gym, working out, great for taking on hikes, great for taking on walks. You know what I'm going to use this for? I'm taking this to band practice with me. I'm going to have my tea with me the whole time. This is going to be great. All kinds of stuff you can do with 40 ounces in there. Boy, that'll keep you going for a long time. Looking for a great food-grade stainless steel insulated water bottle with a paracord handle, a strap on it, two different lids, two straws, and a straw cleaner. Check out this one by WEREWOLVES. Check it out.